Hey guys, this is Texas Fan Dog. I'm gonna do hopefully a pretty quick video on how to take apart and put back together your P-23 because I had some problems whenever I tried to clean it and putting it back together because I did not know how to do it, but now I have fixed that problem and figured out how to put it back together, and there was not many videos, so I want to show you how to do it because there's not many YouTube videos on how to do it. Okay, here we go. Gotta get my light where you can see it. Okay. So basically I got my P-23. Got my P-23. Right here. Safety. Get it in the light so I can show you this real quick. Safety is right here. Loading mechanism. Slide that forward. Put the BBs in that hole. Okay. Internal CO2 storage, which is where your CO2 cartridge will go. So let's get this started. I will get many close-ups in this video for you so you're not lost. I'm going to try and do this fast so it'll actually go on YouTube with my iPod because my laptop crashed, so having a couple little problems being able to post videos to YouTube. Okay, it's all the outside ones. Got to get the one that's on the inside. Oh, I thought I lost it. I was about to crap my pants. Not really, but just saying. Okay, I gotta take that rod out real quick. That way we can continue. Okay. I'll get the other side. Pliers. Oops. Try to get it out of there without damaging that other side's ring. Oops. A little creepy, a little scary. Okay. So that's the P-29 taken with the top off and all the external screws. So I'm about to take the side off. This is your top. This is metal. Trigger's plastic. This is plastic, but some of the inner mechanisms are metal. So we can continue with this. If you can't see it, don't worry. I will do some close-ups. This is the spring that you use. It's for your loading mechanism. If you can see that. And here's the inside of your gun. Inside of your P-23. It's your hammer, trigger. That's the long bar that connects them both, so whenever you pull the trigger, that pulls the hammer back. Okay, so take this off. So to the side. See if I can get that pole out too with it, so I don't have to take all that apart again. Okay, and then this is your trigger and your thing that where your BB goes. Okay. Don't know if you can see that again. But yeah, basically, okay. Your hammer, that'll come off. Okay, just kind of pop that off. And here's the spring. There you go. Okay, and that's the inside of your gun. Okay, right there. Trying to make sure you can see that. Okay, let's get close up. Freaking light. Go over here, you can see. Okay, and then there's that. That's your CO2 thing. Hammer will hit that, and the BB will be in front of that, and it sprays it out. Look down the barrel. Goes down the barrel. Goes down that. So your CO2 cartridge goes. That's that safety thing. That notch has to go into right there for the gun to be able to fire. That's that right there. Whenever the notch gets pushed, this goes down and allows the trigger to allow a BB to go up in there. So let's get on with the hurry up and get this back together. Okay, it looks like a bunch of junk, but okay, whenever I did this I had trouble figuring out what the spring on the inside of here was for. I'll take this off real quick so I can show you. Okay, and that's that spring I was talking about that I had trouble figuring out what it was for, but it goes right here and makes pressure for that. So it'll actually make the BB thing go up. Okay, and then this goes right into here. You might have to push it a little bit. Give it a little force. Put the rod back through that hole. Okay, basically like that. That's what it's going to look like. And you're going to take this, connect that, put it back in the gun. And get that rod in that hole. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to put the hammer back in. Okay, hammer. Put that back in. Put this over this. One end's going to be pushing up against the wall, and that's what's going to give it pressure. And then it's going to wrap around the back of the hammer. You just got to get it to go down. Get around it. Crap. There we go. Okay, now I'll put this back on. Dang it. There we go. Okay. That's back on. Pole goes all the way across. Grabs that little notch. That's what makes it fire whenever you pull the trigger. Put the firing mechanism, put the loading mechanism I meant back in there. You might have some problems with that trying to pop back out whenever you're putting the gun back together, but don't worry about it. You'll get it eventually. Okay. Put this on there. The front piece back on. There we go. The gun's back together and it fires. That's how you take apart and put back together your P-23. Subscribe to my page and leave any comments or questions or ways to make my videos better in the section below. Thank you.